Here is the finished product, nice and shiny now. Just a beautiful finish that cleaned up, and the chrome cleaned up really nicely. This had been stored for quite some years, and probably dates back to the gentleman's junior high age back in the 1960s. Typical Luan plywood, Japanese type shell construction, but the bearing edges were quite good, and the drum is true. It tuned up just fine. So it sounds like a typical Luan plywood snare drum from the 60s. Slightly boxy, but not bad. Not a bad little drum. That's going to require, it's not threaded, so that would require a little more work and some manufacturing that I don't think they are interested in doing right now, but you can still adjust the snare tension by just turning the knob, so it will work just fine. For a student, this will be a nice little drum. It'll work. Yeah, 1960s Japanese Blue Onyx. They always had nice finishes on those Japanese drums. They had some really cool colors.